still wasting your time emailing files or hunting for cables, here's the fastest and easiest way to transfer your files between your devices in just seconds. Welcome back again, guys, to AskLions Hustle family. Thank you so much for always clicking on my videos when I drop videos here. And if this is your first time here, my name is Lion, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how you can transfer your files between your devices, whether it's computer, Mac OS, Windows, or your phone, your smartphone, Android, your iPhone, and I'm gonna walk you through how you can get it done. So I'm gonna show you two ways, and it's gonna be for you to decide which way you can use, because maybe it's gonna be the best way for you to transfer your data. So the first way is to go to your Google browser and tap what I'm gonna show you here. And once you're done with this, you just hit enter. So I would recommend you, if you want, you can just sign up on your computer and on your mobile. You're gonna do the same thing because it's gonna help you when you transfer your data. Okay, let me pick up my phone and do the same thing so that I can show you. Okay guys, okay, so let me just get my phone up here. I'm gonna show you. You can see I have the same interface in my phone and in my computer, and they both look the same. So another thing you can do, you can see where we have a moving cycle. If you want to send a file or a photo, anything you want to send there, whether it's a document, you just have to click in this cycle, in the center of this cycle, and you're gonna have where you can click your documents, whatever you want to send to another device. And once you have them, you're gonna have a way to send them to another device. And on mobile too, you can do the same thing. You can click in the center, do the same thing, and you're gonna have it's gonna take you to your photos, your documents, whatever you want to send to your other device. So this is the first way, but let me try to show you. The reason why I'm telling you to sign up to have an account is because it's gonna be fast and easier for you to send more files. Let me just do it now so that I can show you. I'm gonna just click here. Let me show you how it's gonna look like after you sign up. You're gonna have an interface like this and a page like this, and you can see you have different things. You don't have to pay, it's for free. And in your phone too, you're gonna have the same thing. So the best thing, in your phone, you can see you're gonna have a plus button where you can click for more instead of coming and restart again. And you can see I have multiple devices here. Most of the time you're gonna see your other device that you want to connect. And another thing I want to tell you is that if you want to send them wirelessly, you're gonna have to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network connection. And let me just go to my phone, and I'm gonna choose this here, and I'm gonna hit add here. So after hitting add, you can see it's getting ready to be uploaded to their platform. So you can see it's going. In a few seconds we're gonna have the document in. Okay, so now we have the file inside there. What you're gonna do is now to hit that share button here, and once you hit it, you're gonna have the same thing here. you're gonna have this link. You're gonna have send to email. You can do it if you like, but for me, I'm gonna just copy this link here. You can see the square. I'm gonna click in my phone. That's in my phone, and then I'm gonna go back to my WhatsApp, and then I'm gonna send it to my WhatsApp so that I can have it in my computer. You can see I just send it, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my WhatsApp now, and then I'm gonna just copy the link, and I'm gonna come back, show you how you're gonna have your file in your computer. So now that you have the link copied, you're gonna have to go to your browser again, and you're gonna paste your link here. Once it's pasted, you're gonna click enter, and you're gonna have something like this, and you can download your file here in just a couple seconds. You're gonna have it as you see down here, and I'm gonna show it to you. Let me open it. You can see the file that we have uploaded to their platform, and it's now in our computer. Next, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you through my phone again how you can share it wirelessly. Instead of copying and downloading, I'm gonna show you how you can just share it. So through this website, you can send the file through copying the link, or you can send it to your email and download it from your computer. You can also hit the computer, the device connected to the same network connection on your local network connection, and the devices, they have to be on the same connection, guys. So you can hit on the same device you see here, and it's gonna be sent to your computer, but you will have to download it. This is the first way to send your files between your devices. So the second way, which is the fastest way, is going to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download the application called Blip. Do you see this application here? And once you go to your Apple Store, let me show you how it looks like. The name of the application is Blip. Okay, so it's this one here. For me, because I have it, it's gonna say open, but for you it's get or maybe download. Once you're gonna be there, you're gonna download it, and you're gonna have it in your browser. For me, it's just to open, and you're gonna have to sign up with email, and the email you're gonna sign up with is the one you're gonna use to sign in with in your computer. And once you download the application in your mobile, they're gonna give you a link to paste in your computer so that you can get the application. And as you see, I have it in my computer here. Let me just bring it up, and you will see it in a couple seconds. It's just coming. It's this one here. Let me show it to you how it looks like. You can see it here. So it has the same email, the same username. So once you have everything, you're gonna have option to do what? To transfer your data from your computer and from your mobile. Very easy. So let me just get in. I have Microsoft here. That's my computer, and this is my phone, as you see. And I'm gonna get in there to this Microsoft computer. So when you have all the apps in your computer and your mobile ready, you're gonna go to your mobile or your computer and hit one of the devices you have. You can see here I have my mobile, and in my computer, in my mobile, I have my computer. Okay, so I'm gonna hit on my computer in my mobile, and I'm gonna hit send photos and videos. And once I'm in here, I'm gonna find something that I can maybe share to that. I'm gonna hit this video here. As you see it here, it's marked, and then I'm gonna hit send. Check here what you're gonna see here. I'm gonna just hit. This one is very easy. It doesn't even take 5 seconds. So the file is here, and I'm gonna click. So you can see this is my video here. Let me just play it in my phone here so that you can have. Oops, I can't just play it from my mobile, but that's how it looks like. You can see it. I have it, and what's in there, you don't have to do anything. It's in your computer, in your downloads. You don't have to do anything. You can see it's somewhere around here. I don't know, because it doesn't have a name. Okay, somewhere. You're gonna try to find where it is. No more delays or tech headaches. Lions, now you have tools to transfer your files between your devices. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button to like my video. Leave your question in the comment section. Also, subscribe to this channel for more smart tech tricks. And until next time, see you guys.